In 1997, scientists recorded one of the loudest and strangest sounds ever detected deep in the Pacific Ocean. A sound so powerful it was heard over 5,000 kilometers away. They called it the Bloop. The Bloop was captured by NOAA using underwater hydrophones placed across the Pacific. These devices were designed to detect earthquakes and submarine activity, but what they recorded was far more unusual. When scientists analyzed the waveform, it resembled the call of a living creature, but much larger than anything we know. To produce a sound that loud, the source would need to be bigger than a blue whale. Years later, NOAA suggested that massive icebergs cracking in Antarctica could explain the sound. But many researchers argue that the Bloop signature does not match typical icequake frequencies. Several factors keep the Bloop mysterious. It was recorded only once. Its pattern resembles a biological signal, and nothing similar has ever been detected again, despite years of monitoring. Some scientists still believe it was ice. Others think it may have been volcanic activity, but a few researchers argue that until we explore the deepest oceans, we cannot rule out an unknown species. The Bloop remains one of the ocean's greatest unsolved mysteries. A sound too large to ignore and too strange to fully explain. Subscribe to Mystery World Files for more real-world mysteries.